Ladies and gentlemen, Nick Escalante, as he is now known, at the Waterfall in the Grand Staircase. Nick, tell our viewers what you think.
That's cold.
That's cold. I took my feet out of it. There it is. We're hiking desert. Or sort of desert. Would you call that desert, Nick? Canyons. Canyons. Kind of a desert-like canyon in southern Utah. We're not going to tell you where it is because it's a secret, so... Yeah. I'm going to go in. Oh my god. Oh my god is right. Those are my feet. It's cold in here. Cold.
Cold.
Cold. Oop, finger.